By the end of this video, you will learn how to create your own unique system to generate unlimited amount of long-tail keywords without having to spend a single dollar on any SEO tools. Do you find it hard to believe this? Well, this shortcut that I am about to reveal, a simple ChatGPT prompt, will deliver instant targeted traffic to your website as well as skyrocket your conversions. Here's the truth. Generic keywords bring generic traffic. Long-tail keywords bring buyers. Think of it like this. Instead of fighting for the keyword coffee, you're targeting best organic Ethiopian coffee beans for cold brew. Specific, right? That's your golden ticket. People searching long tail know exactly what they want, and if you have the answer, they're ready to buy or engage. The prompt that I provide you will help you find keywords that reflect a user's precise search intent and help you rank on top search results since the keywords only focus on a niche audience. Open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Generate a list of 10 long-tail keywords related to your niche. Focus on capturing distinct search intents from users, aiming to increase sales and conversions. Let's fill the bracket with Skidoo snowmobiles, a Canadian staple. As you can see, we got 10 long-tail keywords that are distinctively different from each other with regard to the intention of the search, like the research intent of the buyer, local purchase intent, comparison, online shopping, etc. Do you want 100 such ideas? All you have to do is update the prompt with the number 100 instead of 10. To see how good these keywords are, I am going to enter a few of them in an SEO tool called Ubersuggest. As you can see, the first keyword we entered, best Skidoo snowmobile for deep snow riding, is very easy to rank. Having some experience in the power sports industry, we can assure you that this is a question customers search for a lot. However, they will have to go into a dealership to get the answer. Imagine a dealership website being able to answer that question. If you are local to that searcher, you will surely convert him to a customer by answering his question. The next keyword I entered was Skidoo snowmobiles for sale near me. This keyword also shows great promise, particularly in the December month when lots of snow is available. But what is surprising is variations of this keyword like snowmobiles near me and snowmobile for sale near me is showing over 8,000 traffic volume in that month alone. By creating content using this keyword, you will be able to take a slice of that traffic. What I like about these results is that they are also aligned towards using voice search. Thanks to all the AI chat tools, these days more and more people are actually using their voice to find answers. And they know that asking Siri or Google or ChatGPT just the word Skidoo is not going to give them the answers they are looking for. Instead, they would ask long, specific questions for the specific answers they are seeking. This provides you with a golden opportunity to create content around these keywords, and when your ideal customer searches for them, guess which website they find and access? Yours. Now, take these keywords and create targeted content like blog posts, videos, product pages, and make it relevant. Also use these keywords in your titles and descriptions. This helps search engines find you. Finally, analyze your results. See what works and double down on it. Search engine optimization is not difficult to tame. However, it is changing rapidly, and if you need to succeed, you need to upgrade your knowledge and skills rapidly. Hit that subscribe button and like this video, and we will keep providing you quick and actionable SEO tricks that will help you navigate the ever-changing digital marketing landscape. I will see you in another video.